Wondering if herbs actually work for better sleep, less stress, or stronger immunity? Feeling lost in conflicting info? You want natural options, but need them to be safe and effective. There's a solution. Introducing Evidence-Based Herbal Remedies, safe and effective ways to support your health with plants. Your ultimate guide, and it's 2 books in one. Forget guesswork. This book blends science and tradition, showing you which herbs are backed by research for your health goals. From anxiety to digestion and more. Learn to make effective remedies at home. Teas, tinctures, salves. With clear step-by-step guides and crucial safety info. Whether you're new to herbs or want to go deeper, this comprehensive 2-in-1 guide builds your confidence. Stop wondering, start knowing. Ready to confidently use the power of plants? Get Evidence-Based Herbal Remedies link in bio and unlock natural wellness.